Good day, everyone. We have an important job to do. Let's begin Operation Choo-Choo the Mouse Cleanup. Just me and you. Yes, gather round, friends, for Choo-Choo's big adventure is about to start. Choo-Choo, choo-choo. Let's clean up and be smart. Choo-Choo has seen lots of toys and books. Oh my! But cleaning them up can be tricky. Let's give it a try. As they cleaned, the floor began to glow. A magical light put on quite a show. Choo-Choo and friends were lifted high, floating in a bubble through the starry sky. They saw Earth, so green and blue. But then a comet came zooming through. Quick, quick! They dodged just in time, and escaped the asteroid field. Feeling so fine, a shimmering planet appeared. Oh so bright, the Clean Freak planet. What a sight! Aliens with cleaning tools greeted them with glee. Choo-choo, please help us clean the galaxy. With high-tech gear, they zoomed through space, cleaning up dust and grime with grace. Black holes and stars, they made them gleam. Choo-Choo and friends were quite the team. Back on Earth, the room was shiny and neat. Cleaning is fun and such a treat. When things are tidy, hearts feel light. Choo-Choo's adventures made everything bright. Snap, snap. Toys are in boxes. The floor is so clean. Woof woof. Meow meow. The best team you've ever seen. Playing in a clean room makes your mind and body happy. It's true. Choo-Choo can't wait for the next cleaning adventure with you. Let's keep on cleaning with smiles and laughter, and see what fun awaits in the next chapter. Bleep and see you next time, my friends so dear, for more Choo-Choo adventures, far and near.